Today we have a Jeep Cherokee Sport, and in the rear hatch there are two speakers. And we're going to show you how to remove these speakers. We can look through the grill on them and see that the foam surround is deteriorated, so they sound distorted. And this one has some difficult clips, so we're going to start with two screws with the rear hatch open. One here on the passenger side that's sort of hidden in the edge of the carpet here. One also on the driver's side, hidden in the corner of the carpet here, and we're going to remove these two screws. Alrighty, with our pry bar, we're going to start at the back bottom edge and pull this down. The clips are very difficult on this one, and it looks like we're having problems with them all cracking because of the age of the plastic here. Looks like we'll be doing some repair to this rear panel because the clips aren't releasing well. Okay, we have here the first one. You can see that the clip and the plastic piece broke along with the second one, so we'll have to do some modifications to fix the clip holder. We did have the next clip pulled entirely out of the hole that it's in. Start back over on the left side and do the same. Try and locate the clip so you can pull down on them. And then you can see there's one clip that's way up here in the center of the panel as well that we're going to have to get to. And we're trying to get in there and find the clip so we can pry on the clip itself in this opening so that we don't crack all the mounts for the clips. We were talking about the clip that's way up inside. Getting the panel up there to try and remove that clip can be, the panel tool up there can be somewhat difficult. Okay, we got that one loose. And move back over to the passenger side. Trying to get that clip up behind the panel as well. I mentioned earlier that these clips can be difficult. We got that one loose. And we have one right here remaining that'll release to pull the back edge of the panel down. And we have one more in the center as well, up in the center of the panel. Okay, the front edge releases. That removes the panel. Now the remaining clips in the door, when removing the panel, these will have to be pried from the panel itself. We do have a broken clip here, so we'll be replacing one. We have several that need to be removed. This one still has part of the framing that goes on the back of the panel. As for the panel, the clips slide into a slot here. This is still a good mount. We have a broken mount here where one of them came off. We'll have to do some modifications to this to get the tab off of the clip to put it on there to reinstall the clip. But that goes with several at the opposite end as well. Now we can get a closer look at these speakers, and we can see that they're badly warped, along with the foam surround that secures the speaker cone here to the frame of the speaker. So we're going to remove the 4 screws that secure this speaker, along with the one connector here at the back, and replace these speakers. Now we've got the 4 screws out, and there is some trick aftermarket installation that maybe need to be done here, because on the original speaker it sits down a slight bit, but the speaker itself has a trim ring on it. This trim ring mates to the foam ring that's on the panel so that the bass will sound better without any space between the speaker and the panel, and it mounts correctly right down so it mates. And what makes that difference is this metal trim, this plastic trim ring. We may be taking this off the original speaker to put it on the aftermarket and do some modifications so that the speakers seal better to this rear styrofoam piece. The replacement speaker, you can see the thickness difference in the trim ring that I mentioned here and here. I'm going to see if this speaker mates to the original opening. And we do have the bolt pattern mates up.
You can either space it down a little bit like that from the back, which would probably be easier, and then just make this flush up against it.
There you go. Now we have the aftermarket speakers hooked up. We've put on new spades on the speakers. The wire code for the rear passenger side, the blue with white stripe will be the positive, and the blue with orange stripe will be the negative. As for the driver's side, we have, and the positive is the brown with a yellow stripe. When it comes to hooking these speakers up for correct polarity, or see our video for speaker phasing on our website. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.